Hello, my name is Leonard O'Sullivan. I'm going to tell you about the NDLR Links project at the University of Limerick, which involved developing e-learning content for an ergonomics training model. Ergonomics is inherently present everywhere in our lives, from the opening of a gym jar in the morning, to using a computer at work, to performing sports activities. Ergonomics brings together knowledge from anatomy and biology, psychology and engineering. Ultimately, its purpose is to design things or services, for example consumer products and workplaces, to fit the person. It is estimated that work-related injuries and illnesses cost up to 3% of GNP annually, and repetitive strain injuries account for a substantial subset of these costs. In Ireland, we see a lot of these injuries across the spectrum of our industries, from agriculture to manufacturing to office work. Workplaces have obligations under legislation to provide safe places of work, but ergonomics is a niche discipline and there are few professional ergonomists in Ireland. There are many safety courses from certificate to master's level which will benefit from access to e-learning solutions so that they can include more ergonomics in their syllabi. This NDLR Links project will benefit the third level education institutes who are struggling to service teach this material at present. As ergonomics is a niche discipline, often they have to either not teach the material or else buy in the support of external experts. Companies will benefit by being able to improve their workplace safety through training their workers in the workplace. Citizens will benefit by having improved ergonomics knowledge that they can study at home, at their leisure and at no cost. This might be the motivator for some people to undertake further education. In November 2011, we finished the Ergoman Leonardo funded project in which our research group was a partner. The project created a training model in line with new European curriculum for ergonomics education. As such, our material is very contemporary. But the project didn't develop instruction material. It was specifically the purpose of this NDLR Links project to develop instruction material for a selection of the competencies from the Ergoman project and to make them freely available to Irish education institutes and workplaces. So as such, the project was the extension of a European project at a national level. Blended learning has been established as a very efficient and effective format for training, reaching an ever greater audience, cutting down on time and repetition. The key output from this project is 6 ergonomics units in SCORM format, which are compliant with version 2 of the Moodle Learning Content Management System. The units are available as standalone files, which can be emailed to students or workers, or made available via the Moodle online system. Assessment is integrated throughout the units. If the units are delivered via Moodle, it will log the student's performance at each of the assessment stage gates. In UL, we're delivering the units through Moodle on the Atlantic University Alliance e-learning facility at aua.ie. The 2 other universities using the e-learning units are University College Dublin and University College Cork. In University College Dublin, Dr. Anne Drummond, Director of the Centre for Safety and Health at Work, will use the units on their diploma and degree programmes in health and safety. In University College Cork, Dr. Birgit Greiner, Lecturer in Public Health, will use the units on their courses in occupational health.